This is kind of sketchy, I'll be real. Oh, barefoot is even sketchier. I hope I don't drop my mic in here. this is this is not okay. It's not okay. I don't want to fall down there, especially. Yeah, Thailand boys, come through. Is that them? I heard something. Let's go. Let's go, vlog. Is that them on there? Yeah. I can see some lights coming up. So, this, boys, like this villa, like we're on our own up here, like we're by ourselves. Like literally, there's just jungle. There's jungle everywhere, and that's why we've got the best view because we're all the way up the mountain. Whenever you see lights coming up these hills, you just know that the boys have arrived. So I think we've got Yomi and Chris about to come up right now, and then here me, Alpha Set David, and Alpha Set Adam are just vibing. I'm just gonna keep calling everyone Alpha Setters because you need to know. You need to know who is conquering this island. It's the Alpha Setters. Yeah, you've got to send it up this hill. There's no half-heart in this shit. Let's go! What you saying, bro? Vibes, boys.
This is the life that this guy brings if you work with him, boys. Literally making no money before working with Sammy. 2 days in, made my first sale. It speaks for himself, man.
Thank you, bro. Thank you for that. Thank you for the plug, bro. So here I am in the villa. Today we went on the peds. So everyone's got peds now. Like literally, we've got a 5-man, 6-man or something here in the villa, and everyone's got peds. It's like gang shit, just scooting around the island on our peds. It's sick. It's like it literally is like that, innit? It's like we're playing GTA. We've got like a motorcycle gang, and we're all just like in a row, just swerving in and out of traffic on our peds. Kind of dangerous. Yomi's fell off his bike once. David fell off his bike once. I'm surprised I haven't fell off my bike once. But this whole place is just vibes, boys. Like you can just go anywhere. It's just freedom. A fundamental desire of masculinity is freedom. That's why we want to make money. That's why we want to do all of these things so that we actually have the freedom to be able to do things and just explore and go where you want to go. Don't worry about walking across the bed. Yeah. Same with you as well. Like, feel free to walk across. Like, it's calm. My audience doesn't care. We're just vibing.
Line's looking good, man.
Yeah, the sun's gone down. Wanted to record while the sun was up, but we was just messing about, teaching each other Thai moves. Got my Thai kit today, yeah. So I'm gassed for this. I've always wanted some Thai shorts. Always wanted some Thai shorts. Got some boxing gloves, got some Thai shorts, got some shin pads, so that, yeah, so that we can get on Thai boxing. I've never done Thai boxing before in my life, but I definitely, whilst I'm out here in Thailand, obviously we're training Muay Thai, and I would love to have a fight while I'm over here. What am I, a coward? I'm going to come to Thailand and not even have my first Muay Thai fight? Nah, bro. Got to get that done. So that's what I would like to do. But yeah, right now we're literally just vibing and get some work done. I thought I would maybe record some content for the YouTube, for the daily uploads. One thing I want to say while I'm out here is that so many people make excuses about everything. Now, that's something that the boys have noticed while I've been here, that if something happens, like today I lost my wallet. Okay, cool. Amazing. Or sales to CEO, the ads weren't running a couple of weeks ago, they weren't doing well or whatever. If something happens, it's always my fault. Always. Every single time it's my fault. And I think that's a healthy way of looking. I think that's a healthy life philosophy, to just assume everything is your fault, so that then you can look for ways to fix that moving forward. Let's say I crashed my bike today, and it's his fault, the traffic, but no, it's my fault. I crashed the bike. I should have knew that he was being a dickhead behind me and coming up on my right. I should have knew that, and now I can adjust moving forward so that I can do better next time. You've always got to take responsibility in life, boys. That's the message for today. But yeah, we're just vibing right now. I think what I'm gonna do for this YouTube video is just cut to some of the vlog footage from earlier where we're just body sparring in the garden here in the villa. So I think that's the play for today.
leather short. That's the thing with Hemi, like beginning, and he just turns it up. I was like, oh fuck.
That would have been a good shot.
King's arms, yeah.
Yeah. He's on a plate though.
Good thing.
Were you doing kicks?
Look.
Go on, hit him. Hit him back.
Hit me.
Hit him back, son. You know what I mean? You hit him. Hit each other, boys. Come on, Yemi. Where's that pressure gone? Come on, where's the offense, Jimmy? You're losing this round, bro. Losing this round, bro. Go on.
Bro.
You're tired, bro. Keep punching, bro. You're losing this round, Yemi. 30 seconds left, bro. You're losing this round. You can't lose it. You're getting overwhelmed by volume, bro. Less power, Yemi. More shots. Less power, more volume.